Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars, the cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. We are giving you a quick video on how to prevent black mold in the first place. Stop all the mold before you ever have to deal with it. All you have to do is a couple of things and you will not have to deal with black mold. Now, the first thing is you're going to get this kind of black mold like this right here in humid conditions. So when the days are not as humid, open your windows, let a little fresh air in. Mold does not like to have fresh air, okay? So this definitely has not had that happen to it. Now, the other thing that you want to make sure you do is use one of these right here in that seat. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools and products will be.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson, whatever name you've got going on today. So, if you don't want this right here, hopefully you can see that real good. It's pretty nasty. And if you use this machine that's in the description, the tools list, run it for 30 minutes once a month on the worst times of humidity, and you will not have to deal with any stank.
Close that window, you're letting all the stank out.
Or mold or any of that stuff. I'm telling you, it's best to prevent this now than to have to try to deal with it. This whole headliner, if you look up here, you can see those spots right there. That's black mold trying to start. Here's some more right here. There's the dome light. But all this right here, that's black mold trying to start. Those dark spots right there. There's one right there that's trying to start. And here's some that are trying to start. So just use that machine for 30 minutes once a month during the worst times of the year when the humidity's the most. So in the wintertime, you won't have as much problem, but if you can pull your vehicle in, crack your windows and let a little cold air in there, mold does not like that. It does not like cold, fresh air, or fresh air at all. Hope this helps. GoPro, stop recording.